guys, this is the last section of this chapter on polynomials. Unfortunately, this is the hardest section. It's dividing by a polynomial. So we actually have to do like long division, which is kind of weird, but hopefully you'll just get used to it. So you have something like x squared plus 4x minus 9 divided by x plus 2. So this is always the number. If you had 10 divided by 2, you know that that means 2. How many times does 2 go into 10? So it's the same thing. We're going to say how many times does x plus 2 go into x squared plus 4x minus 9. So you're going to write x plus 2 on the outside, and you're going to write x squared plus 4x minus 9 on the inside. And then you go x into x squared. How many x's are in x squared? 1, because when I multiply x by x, I'm going to get x squared. So now you have to distribute the x just like you would if you were doing long division. X times x is x squared. The sign is plus, and then x times 2 is 2x. So, but then you subtract, so you have to change the signs of everything. That cancels, and 4x minus 2x is 2x. You bring down the negative 9. X goes into 2x plus 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. And then it's going to be a negative because you make it negative. So the 2x's cancel. And you have negative 13. I just want to make sure I have the right answer. I always feel like I have to check that. Yes, and I just want to see how they want it written in the end. They don't. Oh, remainder x plus 2, remainder negative 13. Okay, so the way, they just want you to write it like this, remainder negative 13. Now you could check that by multiplying these two things together and then adding a negative 13, and you should get that out. I'm not going to do that, but that's how you would check it. Okay. Oh, I don't think I finished writing this problem. Example 2. Divide 2x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 9x minus 6 by x minus 1. So it had an x minus 1. So again, this is going to be on the outside, and 2x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 9x minus 6. So you go x, you take the first thing, x, into 2x to the 4th. What do I multiply that by to get that? 2x to the 3rd. So 2x to the 3rd times x to the 4th is 2x to the 4th. 2x to the 3rd minus 1 times minus 1 is negative 2x to the 3rd. Now you're going to subtract, so you have to change the signs. That's going to cancel. 2x to the 3rd minus x to the 3rd is 1x to the 3rd. Bring down your positive 9x. X goes into x to the 3rd plus x squared. So x squared times x is x to the 3rd. X squared times a negative 1 is minus x squared. Wait, is this one, do I have to hold the place value for this one? No, because I forgot. I'm sorry. I didn't write this problem correctly. It should have been plus 5x squared minus 9x plus 6. So, sorry guys. Plus 5x squared minus 9x plus 6. Let me just make sure that's right. Plus 5x squared. Nope, it's a plus 9x plus 6. Okay, so this makes more sense because I didn't think I had to hold a place value on this one. So x squared times a negative 1 is negative x squared. Now I'm going to change my signs. That's going to cancel. 5x squared plus x squared is 6x squared. Bring down your 9x. So it's going to be plus 6x because 6x times x is 6x squared. And then 6x times negative 1 is negative 6x. Change your signs. That cancels. 15x. Bring down your 6 plus 6. So now I'm going to do plus 15. 15 times x is 15x minus 15. Change your signs. And my final answer is this, remainder 21. And wait, my sign's wrong. Something's wrong with my sign. That was a minus 6. Ugh, how did I mess this up so bad? Oh my gosh. So if that's a minus 6, when I multiply by a positive 15, it's going to be a positive 9 as a remainder. Sorry, I just totally messed that whole problem up because I wrote it wrong. I'm not going to write this all out, but the answer is 2x cubed plus x squared plus 6x plus 15 are 9. Okay, next one, x cubed. Now this one is where you're going to have to hold a place value. X cubed minus 8 divided by x minus 2. So what's going to happen is I'm going to get some x squareds and some x's. So I just want to see if the book does it right away so I can do it like the book. Yes, you can come in. Okay, so what's going to happen, because I don't have an x squared and an x, I actually have to hold those place values. So I'm going to write the minus 8 over here, and I'm going to write plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 8. Now I can go ahead and do this. I'm going to just erase my problem up here. X into x cubed is x squared, so you get x squared times x is x cubed, minus 2x squared. That's why we had to hold the place value. Change your signs. That's going to cancel. You're going to get 2x squared and bring down your plus 0x. X goes into 2x squared plus 2x, so you get 2x times x is 2x squared minus 4x. Change your signs. That's going to cancel. I'll get 4x. Bring down a minus 8. Okay, so now all I have left is plus 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2 is minus 8. Signs change. Nice, no remainder. There's my answer. Okay, last one. Erase some of this so I have more room. Hopefully I didn't copy this one down incorrectly. You can see it's 3a cubed plus 4ab squared minus 5ab plus 2b squared divided by a plus b. So I'm going to do a plus b into 3a cubed plus 4ab squared minus 5a squared b plus 2b cubed. Okay. So how many times does a go into 3a cubed? Hopefully you said 3a squared. 3a times a is 3a cubed. 3a squared times a positive b is plus 3a squared b. Hold on. Make sure I wrote this one right. Did I seriously not even come close to writing this right? What was I thinking? All right, I didn't write this one right. 3a cubed minus 5a squared b. This should be minus 5a squared b. I don't know what I was doing. Plus 4ab squared. Plus 4ab squared. Plus 2b cubed. That's what I wrote over there. What? I don't know. Okay. All right. You can tell if something's not lining up properly, either there's a place value missing or you copied it wrong. And I had a hard time copying today, I guess. Okay, so that's going to be a negative, and this is going to be a negative also. That's going to cancel, and you're going to get negative 8 squared b. Bring down your 4ab squared. So how many times does a go into negative 8a squared b? Negative 8ab. So negative 8ab times a is negative 8a squared b. Now negative 8ab times b is negative 8ab squared. Change your signs. That cancels. So I've got 12ab squared plus 2b cubed. Okay, how many times does a go into 12ab squared? So you're going to put 12b squared. 12b squared times a is 12ab squared. 12b squared times b is plus 12b cubed. Change the signs. That cancels. This is going to be negative 10b cubed. Haha, let's see. That's correct. That is correct. So my answer, my final answer is 3a squared minus 8ab plus 12b squared, remainder negative 10b b cubed. I'm so sorry I copied those problems wrong. You can tell if you're going through and something's wrong, like that just was, you know you did something wrong, probably copied it wrong, whatever. So you're going to do page 357, numbers 1 through 16, and I am here to help you. Thank you.